In this video, I am going to share how to enable or disable spanning tree from a particular VLAN. Generally, as you know, spanning tree is enabled by default on each and every VLAN. So here how we can see, this is my layer 3 switch, and I have configured 3 VLANs. 10, 20, 30, 3 VLANs, and to check whether spanning tree is enabled or not, we can use this command show spanning tree. So as you can see uh, in this screen, VLAN 1, VLAN 10, and 20 and 30. So these three VLANs have been configured. And one thing I would like to mention here is the root ID. The root ID is the 32769 by default. It is the priority. 32768 is the default priority. And if you notice here, the priority value changes with every VLAN. Like this is VLAN 10, and by default the priority is 32778. If you know, if you think how it is being calculated, then you need to perform some mathematics. Like we all know that by default the priority 32768. So the VLAN number is added to the priority. 68 plus 10 is 32778. So as with the VLAN 20, it should be 32788 and 32798. So this is how the priority works. So next thing is we need to disable some span from some VLAN, the spanning tree, if you would like to do. So go to the config T, and this just issue this command: no spanning tree VLAN 30. Spanning tree. So now VLAN 1, and VLAN 10, and VLAN 20 only you can see in this figure on this output, not VLAN 30. So if you want to re-enable it, just go to spanning tree VLAN 30. This will enable spanning tree on the specified VLAN. So this is what I would like to show you. Thanks for watching.